Hello bachcho, let's see this question. The question says identify the correct statements, and the statements are detrivores perform fragmentation, the humus is further degraded by some microbes during mineralization, water soluble inorganic nutrients go down into the soil and get precipitated by process called leaching, the detritus food chain begins with living organism, earthworms break down into detritus into smaller particles by the process called catabolism, and choose the correct answer. So इस क्वेश्चन में हमें कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स दी गई हैं और हमें बताना है कि कौन से स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है. तो द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज डेट्रिवोर्स परफॉर्म फ्रेगमेंटेशन. तो इस क्वेश्चन के लिए जो की कंसेप्ट हमें पता होना चाहिए वो है फ्रेगमेंटेशन. व्हाट डू वी अंडरस्टैंड बाय फ्रेगमेंटेशन? सो ऑप्शन ए में हमें पता होना चाहिए कि फ्रेगमेंटेशन क्या होता है. So fragmentation is the process in which detrivores break down the detritus into smaller particles, and this process is called fragmentation. Right? So fragmentation क्या होता है? It is a process by which detrivores क्या है? Detrivores are the animals which feed on dead organic matters which break down the detritus into smaller particles is called fragmentation. So the statement A is a correct statement. Now the option statement B, that is the humus is further degraded by some microbes during mineralization. So this statement is also correct. Why? Because humus is an stable organic matter. Humus क्या है? Humus is an stable organic matter which is formed after extensive decomposition. It is left after decomposition, right? And it is further degraded by microbes by the process of mineralization. It is further degraded, or degradation of humus is further carried on by the microbes during the process called mineralization. So option, that is statement B, is also correct. Now the third statement, that is statement C, water soluble inorganic nutrients go down into the soil and get precipitated by the process called leaching. Correct. Leaching is the process by which water soluble inorganic nutrients get washed off from the soil surface and become less available to the plants. Right? So A, B, C, both three of the statements are correct statement. Now the D, that is detritus food chain begins with living organism. No, it is incorrect statement. Why? Because detritus food chain begins with dead organic organism. Right? Now the last statement, that is earthworms break down detritus into smaller particles by the process called catabolism. No, this process is known as fragmentation. So statement E is also incorrect. So the correct option for this question is A, B, C. Now B. Therefore the correct answer for this question is option B. I hope you understood it. Best of luck.